Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone overheating after iOS 17 update. So guys, are you one of the iPhone users who actually updated to the latest iOS 17 version only to find your device overheating? You are not alone. Software updates often brings new features, but they can also introduce annoying problems, and iPhone overheating is a common issue many faces after updating to iOS 17. So guys, don't worry, I will tell you how to fix this issue. First of all you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve many issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings. Scroll down, tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is close background apps. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and close the app which have you used. After this, then you have to do is turn off background app refresh. To do this, simply have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on general. Again tap on background app refresh. Now here disable those apps which you do not want to use, or you can simply disable the background app refresh. After this, then you have to do is reduce your screen brightness. High screen brightness can contribute to overheating. Adjust it in by going to control center, and from here you can do you can adjust your brightness. You have to make sure that the brightness is low. After this, then you have to do is disable location services. Some apps consistently use location services which can contribute to overheating. Turn off location services for apps that do not need them by going back and tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services. If it's enabled, the location services are enabled, simply disable it. After disabling it, then you have to check for battery health. If your battery health is significantly degrade, it may cause problem issues. You have to make sure that your battery health is high. After trying this all solution and your iPhone is still overheating, then you can do is reset your settings. If nothing else works, you can try resetting all settings without erasing your data by going back, scroll up and tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.